Abian people have been captured by the Nigerian army as regards the 5 killing of the 5 military men in the southeast. And we've seen Alex Otti going to the 144 battalion area command in Abia State to. They say that he's going to plead for the release of the people that that have been captured. But do you not think, as the #1 man in Abia State, do you not think he should be ordering the release of those people that have been captured, or do you think he should just low or I don't know how to just instead of begging, should you not just go there and authoritatively tell them to to release those people?
Nigeria is a different place because a governor of any state or federative is at least legally chief commander of the armed forces, chief security officer of that federative or state. That is how federalism is structured. A governor has no is not below anybody in his state. In his federative, he is #1. A governor has no option like that to go and say, let me beg a commandant or GOC or AIG. It's because here is Nigeria. And let me tell you, if you are a governor in Nigeria, it depends on your person. If you're a radical governor, a governor that knows what you are doing, you don't need to beg a police or IG. You have your squad. In the police formation, you have your clique. Even in the barracks of your state, you must at least mingle with the GOC. It must be a good friend. So that in time of trouble like this, you will have upper hand over the military. Because this time around, Nigerian military are believing that a major general or general is equivalent to the president, and the colonel is bigger than governor in rank in the military hierarchy. See, let me tell you, it is not like that in advanced states. In America, the military should be in the barracks. They have no business coming outside. And you must follow the constitution of the United States of America. Soldiers have no business with civilians outside the barracks. Why must Nigerian soldiers go to people that are mourning their loved ones? They captured over 300 Abians. I don't believe that report, but say they must be fueling all this news so that there will be sentiment all over the places.
So it was Daily Post?
No, it's just deliberate. They are just posting it.
Daily Post?
Yes. They are just posting it. It doesn't mean 300 Abians. But now, it is not possible. 300 Abians, that's war. Because I know that state. They are more warring than any other part of Igbo land. Abians are not cowards. People from Abia, they are not cowards. I'm still repeating it. If Nigerian military or soldiers from Obins or anywhere in Abia State arrested or captured 300 Abia Indegenes, there will be war in Abia State. They would have released them under 24 hours. Because I know the type of people Abians are. Don't forget that Abia State is where Nnamdi Kanu hails from. He hails from Afiruku community in Umuahia, Abia State. So it is not possible. You can't at least sell this kind of news to the members of the public that Nigerian military soldier captured 3 Abians, arrested 300 civilians, youths, boys in Abia State. There will be war now. That barracks will not remain. No, it is not true. It's just to, anyway, to sell his contents. If you ask,
Daily Post.
It's a Daily Post. Okay.
Yeah, Daily Post.
So it's not confirmed.
Okay, not authentic.
It's not confirmed. It's not a confirmed news. There are some news that are confirmed. There are some that are not confirmed. So I've not seen element of truth in that. All I know is that youths were arrested, but not up to the tune of 300. If you slaughter 300 youths or detain them, I think the whole world will come against you. I think the whole Igbo will march towards that axis. Let the whole military arrest the whole Igbos. The whole Igbos would have at least been interested in that issue, on that issue. See, let me tell you, the matter, the fact here is that Nigerian soldiers think that they are Almighty God. That nobody but Nigerian soldiers They've not known that they are human beings, they have blood. Yes, they shouldn't be at least seeing themselves as gods. Nobody supported the killings, but not to the rate of arresting 300 Abia Indegenes. It's a lie. That report can never be true. I'm telling you.
I think most of the things we are hearing today is based on propaganda. Immediately there was killing in those soldiers who were killed. I think the governor made some movement. You know, he was able to meet the military hierarchy in that state. He was able to communicate very well to the presidency, and we have seen the military come out to say anybody that is saying that is on his own. There is no reprisal. There is no plan to attack anybody in Abia State. And from what I'm hearing, that story is a lie. Nothing like that happened in Abia State. No 300 people were murdered by the Nigerian military. Anybody that's telling you that, you know, need
investigation. That is his state. It's possible that his government was under attack. It's possible that his enemies used that particular day, you know, just to discredit him. And that's why he's coming out in defense. IPOB does not fear anybody. You know, IPOB is not afraid of their command and control. IPOB is not afraid of who they are. IPOB is not afraid of the burden they are carrying. You know, and they have come out to tell you that in their quest to establish the Republic of Biafra, they do not go into violence. It's as simple as that. Non-violent approach. Anybody that's bringing violence to what IPOB is trying to achieve, that is his own business. It's not left for the government to conduct an investigation. It is on that basis that the governor of Abia State, where the crime was actually committed, is saying no. The government should allow the law to take its course. And what's the law? I've not seen anywhere in the Nigerian Constitution where the reprisal attack is a law. I've not seen anywhere in the Constitution of Nigeria where the military, you know, goes on a revenge and leveled everywhere. It's not in the Nigerian Constitution. In a situation like this, where there was a guerrilla attack on the state, you don't go about chasing people in Abia State, killing people in Abia State because you wear military uniform. Then what is the work of the police? And that is what the governor is saying. Let there be an independent investigation to that. And I believe that the governor, Alledgely Otti, will do the needful at the end of the day.
Okay, but do you not think that they want to, like, there are people that don't want to just sabotage his efforts, you know, in that state? Because this guy is someone that is really working. Do you not think that they don't want to just cause commotion, cause problem in that state?
Yes, I think to an extent, Alledgely Otti is a revelation. You know, he's a revelation in the sense that the kind of breath of life, you know, leadership with the breath, you know, is giving them energy. Currently now in Abia State, is showing that no, Abia can never remain the same. He's showing that, you know, leadership is achievable. He's showing Abians that, you know, a new dawn has emerged. He's showing Abians that yes, not all people are the same. You know, he's showing Abians that he's God sent. He's trying to tell Abians, the God's own state, you know, that God has heard the voice of their cry, and God has sent him, you know, to lay a foundation. That foundation that has been, you know, deprived by other successors. You know, he's there now to do that. And of course, you know, in a state like that, you know, there will be people who will have reservation, you know, even over a good thing. Just like your family or your village, where one or two people are trying to rise their head up, there might be a lot of enemies there, but they're said from the same village. You know, that's what I'm pointing out. So they can't rule out enemies of Alledgely Otti trying to sabotage the good work he's doing in Abia State. And I believe Alledgely Otti will handle that perfectly and quietly.